Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.